We're here building a plant basket. We've chosen our basket, we've chosen our plants, and have all of our supplies ready. And now we're going to line the basket. And like I said before, I use a 4 mil thick plastic sheeting to line my baskets. To measure, I put while the plastic is still folded, I put the plastic in the basket and push it all the way to the bottom, and then trim off, and I leave about 3 or 4 inches on the side. And then I can take the plastic and open it up and put it in the basket. And there'll be a lot of excess on the sides, but we will trim that off later. We don't trim it off until we're all finished planting, and then we will trim it off so that we don't have all this excess sticking out. And okay, now our basket is ready to start putting dirt in.